Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to start with Canva. First things first, I'm going to show you how you can create the design you desire, and basically step by step creating the outcome that you really want for your video, for your Instagram page, and for any type of post that you come up with. So with Canva, it's really easy. All we have to do is basically focus on create a design, which is on top right corner of your screen. As you can see, we can click in here. In my case, it's this little purple create design bar. You can either use the search engine if you know what you are going for, and if not, and you need some time, you just can go with whiteboard, presentation, for example, video, Instagram post. There is tons of options. Also YouTube thumbnail, but in that particular for this particular task, I'm really using Snappa, for example. So you can go and check that out. And then those little three options on the bottom is custom size, edit photo, and import file. We can go with custom size, where we have to really start with width, height, the pixelation that you can go in inches, millimeters, or centimeters, and then create the design. For this particular task, I'm just going with whiteboard, and this is basically what you get if you're going with whiteboards. Then we have templates that you can just use. Some of them, if you come across, let me see, some kind of, this is my uploads, this is text and photos. Some of the photos will be with a little crown or gold crown or star on top right corner, and that means they are only in upgradable bundle. So let's go back and start with the design, and we can go with some kind of poster or portrait. And here we are. Once we're here, we can add or enjoy the tour, but it's not really that mandatory. And if you out here already, we can start with some kind of graphics and slowly building step by step what you really desire to use. Then we can add a heading. Obviously, we can just go more like this, and then we can go with like hello YouTube. Of course, you can change the font, you can change all the prospects of the writings. Yeah, and that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.